try to avoid that here today and head to Sunrise with a 3-1 series lead. And away we go. Tampa Bay starts Alex Killorn in the 4th quarter. Just over 3 minutes remaining in the 3rd period when Forsling got his first career playoff goal. And here they come again. This is Anthony Duclair in for Barkov with a shot and a save by Vasilevsky. Carter Verhaeghe try to feed that one into the middle. It got away from Killorn, and now Cernak. Off to center ice. Wide open. Cirelli with a breakaway. And scores! Anthony Cirelli gets the party started. 1-0 Lightning.
Radko Gudas makes a big mistake there. Comes all the way across from the right side to Forsling's side and overloads. That leads the entire opening down the middle of the ice, and Cirelli could have walked in from there. Excellent work by Killorn along the wall. He takes the hit. It's a double hit by Forsling and Gudas.
Nikita Kucherov drops it off. Here's Yanni Gourde off the bench. Sharply moves that puck around where it's pulled off the wall by Sergachev. Kucherov with a shot. Tip! Scores! Right in front! And it's Gourde who makes it 2-0.
Really using the upper portions of the offensive zone. Look where Kucherov is out by the blue line, but Yanni Gourde with an outstanding redirection. New Tavares had trouble with coverage in this series. He's had his guy end up scoring a goal right in front of the net 2 or 3 times at least. This one isn't even on net. Not much Bobrovsky could do on that one. Yanni Gourde pulls that one from about 3 feet wide.
Here's Huberdeau in the slot for Verhaeghe. Shifted it across to Bennett. Bennett knocks it back and picked up now by Patrick Hornqvist. Barkov. Bennett with a wrister. Rebound. Huberdeau scores! Wide open for Jonathan Huberdeau. And it's 2-1. Power play goal.
He always seems to shoot to the far side, hoping to get a rebound. Hornqvist is the screener in front of the net. It's number 70. He's very good at it. But look at Huberdeau coming in off that left wing side. That's what he does. He knows his angles really well. He knows where the puck comes off the goaltender night after night.
One steps in, and he got in too deep on the backhand. Sends it back across. Ends up back at the line for Ryan McDonough. Kucherov now with the puck. Up top to Cernak. Load. Shoot. Scores! Cernak! Back of the net. And it's a 2-goal lead.
Sergei Bobrovsky bothered, and I think Palat does get it. He goes to the bench first in celebration. Heads up shot by Cernak. Yeah, and the redirection right by Andre Palat, who's moving a little bit. He's coming out towards Cernak, so he evades his check a little. Yeah, uses the foot and the stick. That one was probably going wide as well. And Palat with the golden touch.
Game 5 set for Monday night in Sunrise. Lightning trying to go there with a 3-1 series lead and a chance to close this thing out. A lot of work left in this one. In front for Point. Great save by Bobrovsky as he stretches out with a pad to take one away from Point. Good hands in tight. Cernak with a drive. Big rebound. Stamkos. Killorn in the corners. Kucherov. Back of the net. Killorn. Stamkos. Hedman now. Kucherov in front. They score! Alex Killorn taps it in. Power play goal, and it's 4-1 Lightning.
You have 86 out there. He just has them confused, especially Forsling, who's the left defenseman on that side. He doesn't know when he's going to shoot or when he's going to pass. And Weegar doesn't have Killorn covered in front of the net. They're never quite sure what Kucherov is going to do. Is he going to get it and sling it? Is he going to one-time it? Or is he going to make that pass in front?
Another power play goal for the Lightning. They lead by 3. Here's Verhaeghe inside. Marchment turned to his forehand, got a shot away, but Vasilevsky's got it.
4 games so far. Verhaeghe has been a menace. The Lightning have to keep track of.
He has said in the last few days that he learned a lot from his time here with Tampa Bay, and that run into the bubble. There's a chance. They score again. Alex Killorn with his second of the day.
Getting the puck deep at the right time with the right amount of momentum. You see Stammer coming through unmolested, and he knows that Killorn is there. He knows, I'm sure, Killorn was screaming and the pass is perfect. Florida doesn't get back in time. Montour has to decide. Montour's the right D-man. Do I go after Stamkos and support my defense partner, or do I stay in front of the net? He was wrong both times.
In the corner, Huberdeau to Barkov. Back to Jonathan Huberdeau. Snaps a shot. Bassey to save, and the rebound. He's got it with Hornquist banging away.
So controlling his rebounds, he has to, because look where number 70 is. He's got to find a handle on that as soon as he can, and Hornquist is not going to give up. McDonough does the right thing. Hornquist got 2 extra whacks on this when Bassey put his glove on top of it. He's not going to give up, and McDonough goes, that's your last one. I don't know if he read it or heard it, but boy, has he shut the door. He has made some outstanding saves in this game here this afternoon.
Oh, that one hit the post. Off the post and out, and Bassey will say, well, that's part of the equipment too. This one goes up, and it's knocked into the corner.
Florida's scoring chance first, and it is Lomberg off the far goal post.
Holds it in there, works it across to Jonathan Huberdeau inside to Barkov. Barkov back to Huberdeau. Miscommunication, and now it's a race. Here comes Killorn for the hat trick. Stopped by Drieger.
Full gallop, does a terrific job here. Look at him, just step on the gas. Great stride, real smooth. That's as far as he can go before he's going to be shut down. He's had another tremendous game.
Bennett, Huberdeau, his shot. Rebound cleared. Jonathan Huberdeau across to Barkov. Barkov inside. Here's Verhaeghe. Backhander scores. That is a very slick goal by Carter Verhaeghe. Power play goal, and it's 5-2.
Savard, 58. He's watching Hornquist to see when he goes down. If he'd had his stick available, he would have been able to swipe it right along the ice. I think he had a few comments for the referee there for a second, because look at Hornquist. Hornquist was smart. He made sure that he held on to Savard's stick just for a second. That allowed Verhaeghe.
Florida's 2 for 5 in the game on power play goals by Huberdeau and Carter Verhaeghe.
Hey, and look, Florida has manufactured some good scoring chances.
Across to Killorn, he's got 2 goals today. Points. Going after the loose puck in behind the net as it just rolled wide. Here's Stamkos across. Kucherov scores! Nikita Kucherov with a 4-point game.
Their understanding of where everybody is. Retrievals, working hard in the right spots, get the puck behind the net, get it to Stamkos. Where's the seam? Kucherov finds it. Stamkos doesn't sell the pass right away.
And they control the puck off the draw. Down low, walking out. Post hit by Wenberg as the Florida Panthers have pulled Drieger for a 6-on-4 attack here. Verhaeghe puts it across. They'll set things up again for Verhaeghe in the slot down low. Quick shot by Hornquist. Rebound, Vasilevsky comes across and makes another stop. And the rebound is cleared.
To the foot of the leg. Watch Vasilevsky. Watch him cover both posts. No, you're not getting that. And no, you're not getting that either. Vintage Vasilevsky.
Florida penalty number 70, 2 minutes, slashing.
And it was right after this sequence as the puck went down the ice.
And Bassey and the Lightning are going to take a 3-1 series lead with a chance to wrap this baby up on Monday night.